Hi, welcome to AGENTALY. So today we are going to discuss regarding RMP 2041 Master Plan. What are the details? How they have applied the tender? What are the details in the tender? Each and everything we are going to understand. Basically, what is the story behind this and how they are coming up? What are the major plans? Means in detail. Basically, we are going to check few things. Like here, you can clearly see BDA invites global tenders to prepare city RMP 2041 master plan. So let me smaller the view. Yeah, you can see in Times of India newspaper they have published this. BDA has taken a major step to float a global tender revised master plan 2041, chart a new comprehensive vision for the future. 2031 master plan was there, then that got cancelled. All the story about that. Then here which you read, high tech 3D drone survey was taken. So this we have to consider. Then after that, what they have told, 1240 square kilometer they have told. So this is wrong. Maybe we have to update that. We'll check that. 800 square kilometers is BBMP. 440 square kilometers they told in BDA limits it is, other than BBMP. So drone survey was only taken for that area. So that's all from Times of India. This is involved all information. You can take screenshot or pause and read of this if you have doubts. Okay. So now let's go to first drone survey. This was a tender filed recently, when it was 1 year before. Yeah, you can see which month this is. May they have written here, May 2024. You can see here request for proposal, RFP, hiring service for drone survey based on the 3D model generation for BDA area excluding BBMP area. So they have only taken drone footage for BBMP, except BBMP area they have taken the drone footage, they are telling. So that one is understood. Okay, then not much in this tender. This is the tender which has been the file which has been given. Let me reduce the size. Yeah, selection of agency for preparation of GIS-based revised master plan 2041. So what is the major difference of 2041 master plan? It is drone image they are taking. So what I understand, older whichever they had done was satellite image they had used. So now drone image they have taken. So that would be give quite clarity and lot of complications will be solved. Lot of informations together what we understand from the master plan. Once this comes, no, lot of complications will reduce by seeing the master plan, because the master plan which we are using as on date, that is RMP 2015, that was formed in 2005, 5, 6 or 7 something. In that days it was formed. So it is quite old. But one advantage of that is you can come to know if any double layouts were formed. So I have got many double layouts using that also approximately, because satellite based old data is not available older for that. Okay, so preparation of BMA area, Bangalore metropolitan area, Bangalore Development Authority. So this recruitment KPP portal, they have given the tender. If you want to file, once again, Bangalore. Okay, so let us go through just short things, because how many pages it is, something around 110 pages. So document containing, they are these are the document containing. Let us these are the abbreviations. Okay, abbreviation, yeah, okay. Disclaimer, TD means they are talking about the tender document. Then going forward, nothing here. Let us only catch the main points. Planning area of Bangalore Development Authority facilitate global e-tender. This is about the tender dates and all is given here. So what is the date? Uploading the tender document in e-portal is 22nd. So 3-4 days back they have uploaded. Then pre-bid meeting at the BDA office is going to be on 3rd, which is this going to be September, I guess. Then 30th September is last date of submission of the tender. Then after that process will start. No. Okay, here they are telling base map along with existing land use data for BBMP area, map drawing, report, documents, master plan readily available with BDA. So these guys are going to give these all documents. So how many employees they require, what is the age of employees they are telling who have to apply for tender, not related to us directly. So something around 18 team they need, 18 members team is going to work, that we understand from this. And they have to be a master of statistics, civil engineers, graduates, geo, under geo, postgraduates, MBA also, then postgraduate. Means this is a company who is applying for tender, they can, we are not going to get jobs for this. Indirectly you may get. If the company who's got the tender, you can catch hold of that and call if you have this expertise in any of this. Call and join their team. So here you can see the reports, map, zonal regulation, etc., which are part of assignment, including the draft stage, must be written in both Kannada and English languages. So good that Kannada also is included. Most like last I could not see Kannada document, so I didn't find till now. There's all meetings. Upload the tender. Okay, this we saw. 30th we saw. Okay, opening of technical proposal in the e-portal at the office. They are going to give space at the office, and they are opening their portal also in office itself. When they have to deliver, they are asking something around 1 year time approximately from today. After this 1 year approximately in 2026 they will prepare this timeline. From here you can see something useful. So background, what they are giving now, bidders they won't have some idea, some of the bidders. If for that they have given background of Bangalore, capital city, fastest growing city, silicon city they told. And after that onset economic liberation early 1990s. Then all the information, non-agriculture, residential, all information they have given. Challenges, the poor service, delivery, traffic congestion, these all are the major issues they are facing. Then corridors, South India. Then okay, they are telling about whatever well beyond as well. Bangalore city corporation jurisdiction into Bangalore metropolitan area, the creation of BBMP, Greater Bangalore City Corporation by the state government in Jan 2007. BBMP was created, they are telling. Then resulted in 8 neighboring municipality councils and 110 villages. In 2007, there were 110 villages under BBMP and 8 municipality corporations. Addition, they had added to 8 municipal corporations with several large infrastructure development projects like BMI CAPA, Bangalore Mysore Infrastructure Corridor Area, Planning Area Project, and Bangalore International Airport Ring Road. Bangalore outer growth is no longer confined to S city corporation limits, but is now spread well beyond. So this was the talks about 2007 they told. At present BBMP area is notified as the name is changed, they are telling that it is changed to GBA, Greater Bangalore Area, GBA, under provision of GBGA Act, Greater Bangalore Governance Act 2024. Many people will be asking like BBMP will expand, our area will come into BBMP limits or something. So nothing like that, nowhere it is talked, and no BDA limits expansion is talked in master plan. It is very clear that no expansion of master plan is going to happen. Dated wide notification which covers, see they are telling GBA area on very recently 25th means 5th of 2025, 5th month, 747.6 square kilometer out of 1227 square kilometer of Bangalore city local planning area is BBMP area. something around this they are telling. Okay, then experiencing enormous bodies. Okay, and the involvement of local planning areas are Medanayakanahalli, Hebagudi CMC, Hunasmaranahalli TMC, Chikbanawara TMC, Konapana Agrahara. This became recent only, I guess, like 4-5 years before. This was not there. Dodda Toguru TP and Electronic City, there is ELCTA, which falls under remaining local planning area, which is 480 square kilometers. You have this TMC and Electronic City beyond GBA. Means other than BBMP, if BBMP is 748, you think, square kilometer, 480 square kilometer is the rest they are telling, including this area. So this particularly this area, they have taken drone footage as per the drone information, that is BDA area, whichever is there. BDA has prepared master plan. They are talking about master plan 2031 approved by competent authority on 22/11/2017. So it was approved, like master plan 2031 was approved in 2017. I could see many of the plan approvals also based on 2017 approval they had got, like Rajkalwa, maybe not on that. NGT they got, I guess, based on the NGT information they took approvals and all. All the map report were prepared accordance to KTCP. Satellite imagery, here you can see using satellite imagery procured during 2012. So satellite image was taken in 2012, that they have prepared. 2017 master plan, they are telling. The existing land use map was also prepared by updating the land. Okay, the existing using during 2012 and 15. Existing land use was published during 2015. So land use was given in 2015 to them. So 2017 they came up. So in RMP 2031 they have base images of 2015. The draft was prepared and submitted to government 2017. Subsequently, the draft, they are explaining everything about the old master plans. Then they are going to come up, means whoever is applying tender. According to draft master plan, the draft master plan was prepared after collecting primary, secondary data required for preparation of master plan. BDA will share the available data to selected agency, and this data will be useful for preparation of 2041 master plan. So sometimes that is where I also refer for 2031 master plan, because we can understand the future thinking of their plans. So by that we used to check most of the time 2031 master plan if complications are there, so that we'll get an idea what is happening. They are planned into the future. So lot of future plannings they had in a different way for properties. So that we'll get an idea. So that we used to use for analysis also. Here you see Bangalore Master Plan and instrument of land use policies. Okay, this is okay. Here one of the biggest things to understand: land use and transport integration through TOD. What is TOD? A transit oriented development. So this we have to understand. Maybe it has to be a separate topic on TOD, because it is quite important. Like transit oriented development is nothing but it is mainly focused on walking distance from the public transport. Like metro is there. From metro, if you go by walking within radius of 500 meters, that is going to be TOD, one level of TOD, and another level they will calculate within 10 how much, no, within 10 minutes how much you are walking. Maybe 500 meters you may walk, and another thing is in radius I'm telling, and in cycling they are going to calculate within 5 minutes 1 kilometer you can travel. So that is going to be TOD area. So that will be depends on the local transports like metro, K ride, bus facilities, many things are there which involves in that. So that options, from that distance they are going to calculate as TOD and give some extra FAR also, I guess. Means closer to metro you already have lot of options for getting extra floors and all. So TOD is quite important because appreciation also will be in that way only, because now K-Ride is not yet come, so you have to search for stations where K-Ride stations are coming, purchase property there, then invest in that surroundings, so that you get good appreciation in future when it starts. Then that is their typical permissible zoning building regulation. Okay, they are talking about the old master plan in 1970s. During 1970s, first outline development of plan was done. It's called as ODP. Then by city planning authorities during 1970s. Then Bangalore Development Authority was subsequently created wide BDA in 1976. So first master plan was ODP in 1970, outline development plan. Then after that BDA came into picture in 1976. You can see here. Then BDA made a mandate with task and preparing the comprehensive development plan CDP for Bangalore metropolitan area BDA 2007. So they made a master plan which was called as, in which year they made, maybe 1990s. So they came up with a comprehensive plan. So 10 years behind they'll come. Maybe 1995 they made this plan. CDP, comprehensive development plan for Bangalore area 2000, BDA 2007. In 2007 only they are writing. The government, okay, they skipped 2-3 because there are different master plans after 1976, then 1985, then 95, then 2005, that is 2007, which is going to be as on date as 2015 RMP, no, that they are talking about. So government of Karnataka notified BDA revised master plan 2015 for local planning area consisting of 387 villages, 7 city municipality councils CMC and 1 town municipal council. Accordingly, RMP 2015 56 square kilometer of residential area. How much residential, these all informations are given. Then 338 square kilometer has been earmarked for residential use for this is which different mixed use this. Then okay, then they have told here and marked in the comprehensive development plan 1995 an attempt was made to develop strategic and local plans and finally designed neighborhoods, but were challenged experiment implementing the notable development in preparation of RMP 2015 was used in high resolution satellite remote sensing data. GIS-based they had created 2015. Development one by one they had done. Was used to map actual land use to compare and with the comprehensive development plan 1995. So I told no, after that ODP, then this came up CDP 1995, maybe 1985 also one was there, I'm not remembering. Then after 1985 2007. So every 10 years they have to keep updating master plan, future thinking based on the future perspective. So here if you see, these are there, KTCP Act 1961 they are telling. Okay, here you can see what they have told: revise at least once in every 10 years. As I told, 10 years they have to revise. BDA has thereafter initiated the process of preparing Bangalore next master plan as given above. Total area is going to be 1227 square kilometers, while proposal need to be formulated for 122 for the area. For all mapping and analyzing purpose, BDA local planning area of 12248 plus BMI CAPA part area of 87.5 square kilometers. which I told, no, master plan means these guys didn't include in TOI, Times of India. It was 1227 they told. Here you can see plus for all mapping and analysis purpose, BDA local planning area of 1227 plus BMI CAPA 87.5 square kilometers, which converts into 1314 or 1315 square kilometer they are going to make this master plan shall be included in the scope of work. So scope of work they are going to give for tender purpose, no, this document is. And another thing is AOI, area of interest, around 1600 square kilometers. That means they are going to take 1 kilometer buffer from the boundary of BDA boundaries. They are going to take 1 kilometer buffer. So they are going to take extra, what you tell, extra area they are going to take. So around 1600 it becomes. So you have to understand that 1224 is including BBMP, BDA area total. Then additional we are going to add, that is BMI CAPA, it becomes 1314. Then after that 1600 square kilometers for area of interest. Master plan shall indicate eco-sensitive zones, no development zones, including Nala, water bodies, shall include in regulations made therein for conservation of same. So this would help a lot because now whatever master plans is there, you don't have information about Rajkalvas, you don't have information of eco-sensitive zone, nothing. No person who knows about basic, they will go and check master plan, no information is there, they will not even know that is an eco-sensitive zone or no. So that is a good initiative if they have including all these things. So a lot of awareness will be created in future, which will help a lot. That is good. Then detail of the map, what kind of maps they are required, contour, road, natural, this. See the kind of maps they are requiring. It is very in detail of each and every portion they are targeting. Geological maps of LPA. Then you can see what all they are including, the urban rural hierarchy, transit also they are taking into, logistic parks, transport hubs. So you'll get to know where this BMTC, what you tell, depot hubs is coming, that all they are going to mention in that. Then non-motorable transit served zones, public transport areas, each and everything they are going to take into picture, and they are going to create this master plan. Lot of good things which is going to come up in the master plan, which would be one place to understand each and everything. Lot of help it will be for buyers. Here if you see, quite lot of things collate different sectoral plans. So they are going to collide or mix all the plans of all the other agencies. Now if you see which are all the agencies, so why I'm saying this master plan would help a lot in purchasing a property. This would include plans initiated by BMRDA. So a lot of zones are there under BMRDA. Then DULT, this is for transport department. What you tell, district urban I guess transport something, LT, land transport something, it is D, I'm not remembering, but this is for urban transport only. Then this is director, what you tell, district town country planning, urban development. Then KSSDB, this is for slum board I guess. Then BMTC, you know, this is metro. K-ride is suburban trains. K-ride, what you tell, all over you're getting, no, single 4 corridors you're getting, red color, different colors, you have 4 colors. So that BDA, then GBA, that is BBMP, BWSSB, this is regarding water board, this is groundwater board, this is Then this is regarding financial urban development, financial something this is. Then KSRTC, HBL, this is Rajiv Gandhi Housing Society. Then Transport Department, RTO, NH. Then train, BIL, airport, infrastructure, KIDB, BESCOM, KPTCL, BSNL, Bangalore City Police, KLDCA. Not sure what this is. Then Department of Forest Ecology, good, it is they are including Forest Department information also. Then Pollution Control Board, Finance Department, Karnataka Forest, EMPRI, this is for Research Institute. EMPRI they call as, it is mainly for Karnataka, any project they research, no? Ecological Management for Research Institute, something it is. Ecological Survey of India, Department of Archaeological Museum, Heritage, Government of Karnataka, Department of Mines, Education, Women, Children. So many things are going to involve together. Inland Water Transport Department, then Karnataka KDMC, IISC, KHB, these all, and a collection of data on various layout development by KHB, KIADB, then KSSIDC. Then you have this small industries, I guess. It's not slum board, not sure. It should be small industries, BDA. So these all agencies, all the data they are going to merge together. Then they are going to make a proper 2041 master plan, which is quite important. Which is going to help a lot for future development and future understanding. 1 year for this to come out, I don't know till then what stories comes. You can see 1600 area of interest it is shown. Okay, 3D. So here you can see agency shall generate 3D digital surface model and digital elevation using high resolution remote sensing satellite imagery, contour, interval counter map shall also be generated. So they are using some new technology and they are generating some image where height also is going to be measured or something, building, including building, trees. See the things they are going to involve. Digital elevation models shall represent the height information without any information about the surface specifications for GIS base map preparation for base AMRUT and include missing components. Lot of things are going to be involved. Identify, see this, identify and establish deviation in existing land use with that of proposed use of 2015. So what all deviations is done in 2015 and as on date what is the deviation, that also they have to compare and tell. Many things they are going to plan all together. Hazard risk agencies, okay. So everything will be coming up, like all the metro station details, everything would be coming up in the new master plan, which would be very easy for people to understand what is there in the surroundings and all. As of now there is no information actually, which is not that easy. So quite good. See again here, eco-sensitive land areas for conservation, and additionally TOD zones shall be identified across the mass transit. This is quite important. So target these locations if you are going to look for a good deal. See, metro, rail and suburban train, bus as rapid transport TOD policy. So TOD also you have quite a lot of topic information on it. It is transit oriented development. So these areas would have a good appreciation in future. So till you gain knowledge, you won't be able to purchase a good property and invest at a good location. So knowledge is more important. Master plan preparation, I guess it is ending now. 109 pages. Assessment and BDA knowledge transfer skill. They have what all they have to submit. They are telling. They have to give in file this and all, they have told very clearly. So I guess this is a lot of time and information together. Here if you see volume 3 volumes they have created, maybe documents, data documents. So regional contact, legal framework, planning, ecological and economic, okay, transport survey, heritage survey. They have to do all the kind of survey. How many years it will take, I don't know. They are telling 1 year. It may take lot of time also. Now they are going to give them lot of data also, which is there already in 2031 master plan. So lot of things together. So that's all discussing regarding master plan of 2041, what was there in the tender. Maybe it is a quite lengthy video, even though some idea you may get in any portion of the video. So good luck, Agent Clear Property Analyst. Thank you.